In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record an NSF payment in QuickBooks Online. When a customer's check or payment is returned by the bank as non-sufficient funds, or NSF, it can be a little confusing to handle in your books. The key idea is that the money never truly made it into your account, so you need to reverse it properly and link it back to the customer who owed you in the first place. I'll walk you through exactly how to do that in QuickBooks Online, step by step. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and head to the left-hand navigation menu. Look for the section labeled Transactions. When you click on that, you'll see a few options underneath. Choose Bank Transactions. This takes you directly into your bank feed, where all of the downloaded activity from your connected bank accounts appears. Next, you want to locate the NSF item in your bank feed. Your bank usually sends this over as a withdrawal or an expense, showing the money leaving your account when the bank reverses the original deposit. Scroll through the list and look for a transaction that matches the NSF amount and date on your bank statement. Taking a second to compare it with your actual bank statement can help you make sure you're working with the right transaction. Once you've found that NSF entry in the bank feed, click on it to open up the transaction details. This will expand the line so you can see and edit the key fields, like the payee and category. In the vendor or customer field, you'll want to select the customer who originally gave you the check that bounced. This step is important because it connects the NSF activity back to that customer's account, which helps keep your accounts receivable accurate. If you have many customers with similar names, double-check you're choosing the right one to avoid misposting the transaction. Next, move to the category field. Here, select your accounts receivable account. This tells QuickBooks that the money is still owed to you by that customer and effectively reopens the invoice or balance they had with you. You're not categorizing this as a typical expense because it isn't a cost you're absorbing. It's a reversal of money that never truly cleared. When everything looks correct, go ahead and click Add. This will add the NSF transaction from the bank feed into your books and tie it back to your customer's outstanding balance. You've now successfully recorded the NSF payment in QuickBooks Online, keeping both your bank feed and your customer accounts aligned.